Hi friends, and welcome back to Yana's English Academy. Today we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's minds: AI versus human teachers. AI is everywhere now. It can correct your grammar instantly, give endless exercises, and even chat with you at 3 a.m. It sounds impressive, but the real question is, can AI truly replace a human teacher? In this video, I'm going to show you 10 reasons why AI will never fully replace a human teacher, and I'll explain each one in detail so you can understand why the human touch still matters more than ever. The first reason is emotional support and motivation. Learning English is not just about rules or exercises, it's an emotional journey. When you feel frustrated or stuck, a teacher notices these moments and can provide encouragement to keep you going. For example, when a student struggles with pronunciation, a teacher can gently guide them through it, repeating words in different ways and celebrating their improvement. While AI can correct mistakes, it cannot sense your emotions or respond with genuine encouragement, which is a crucial part of staying motivated. The second reason is understanding your unique learning style. Everyone learns differently. Some people absorb information by listening, others by writing, and some by practicing out loud. A teacher can notice these patterns immediately and adjust explanations, exercises, and examples to match the learner's style. AI, on the other hand, follows a general algorithm that treats all learners the same. This personalization makes a huge difference in how quickly and effectively a student can learn. Next, real-time conversation practice is something only a human teacher can provide effectively. Speaking a language requires interaction and feedback that feels natural. Teachers can hear hesitation, correct intonation, and help learners express their thoughts clearly. AI chatbots can respond, but their replies lack nuance, spontaneity, and the subtle guidance that makes conversations feel real. Continuous, interactive practice with a human keeps learning dynamic and responsive. The fourth reason is personalized explanations and stories. Grammar and vocabulary are easier to understand when they are presented in context. Teachers can create stories, jokes, or examples that fit a student's interests and make the lesson memorable. For instance, instead of just explaining the past perfect tense, a teacher might use a story about an everyday experience, turning abstract grammar into a concept you can easily relate to. AI can provide examples, but it cannot adapt them to your learning a moment or make them engaging in the same way. Fifth, cultural context and nuance are essential aspects of language learning. English is full of idioms, full of expressions and customs that carry meaning beyond words. Teachers can explain why phrases like kick the bucket or spill the tea have their particular meanings, connecting language to culture. AI can provide definitions, but it cannot fully convey the nuances that make a language feel alive and natural. Reason 6 is the ability to read nonverbal cues. Teachers notice subtle expressions, body language, and gestures that indicate understanding or confusion. When a student hesitates or looks puzzled, a teacher can adjust the explanation or pace immediately, making the lesson much more effective. AI, by contrast, only sees typed responses and cannot interpret these important signals that influence learning process. Seventh, creativity in teaching is a key advantage humans have over AI. Teachers can invent games, role plays, and exercises that turn learning into an engaging experience. AI can repeat exercises endlessly, but it cannot adapt the content creatively to match a student's mood, interest, or current setting. Lessons become more enjoyable and memorable when they are interactive and imaginative. Reason 8 is adaptable problem solving. When a student is stuck, a teacher can find multiple ways to explain a concept until it clicks. AI often provides only one fixed solution, which might not work for every student. Teachers can use stories, analogies, or new examples to make complicated grammar or vocabulary understandable, ensuring no student is left behind. And the 9th reason is building confidence and connection. Speaking a new language can be intimidating, and teachers help learners overcome fear by offering support, guidance, and constructive feedback. This builds confidence and encourages learners to take risks in speaking, which is essential for fluency. AI cannot replicate the reassurance and the motivation or connection that helps learners push through challenges. And finally, reason 10 is celebrating your victories. Teachers share in a student's success, recognizing improvements and milestones with enthusiasm. That shared excitement encourages students to continue learning and helps them feel proud of their progress. AI can acknowledge correct answers, of course, but it cannot share in the joy of achievement or inspire learners in the same way. So, there you have it, 10 reasons why AI will never fully replace a human teacher. AI is a powerful tool for practice, for repetition and drills, but humans provide adaptability, creativity, and motivation. Last but not least, personal connection. All of these aspects are essential for meaningful learning. Which of these reasons do you find most important? Let me know in the comments. I'm excited to hear your thoughts. And if you want more lessons that combine real interaction, guidance, and personalized teaching, make sure to subscribe and join the Yana's English Academy family. Thanks for watching, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!